In 1946, Brutto and Poerio Carpigiani had a vision to combine craftsmanship and technological innovation. From that moment on, the world of frozen desserts would never be the same. Our history goes back almost a century, from the first autogelatiera to today's blockchain technology. We imagine, we design, we innovate. Each one of our machines is the result of our team's expertise, applied to the world of gelato and frozen desserts. We believe in diversification. We believe in customization. We have a solution for every need. Custom-made quality, always. Artisan gelato or soft serve, frozen yogurt or frozen drinks, milkshakes, whipped cream or pastry cream. Wherever there is deliciousness and beauty, you will find us. Our Gelato University represents education and passion. We are the benchmark for the entrepreneurs of today, and we train those of tomorrow. In our Gelato Museum, you will discover 14,000 years of history and enjoy an unforgettable gelato experience. We are a cross-functional, multicultural team made up of researchers, engineers, technicians, gelato artisans, chefs, and pastry chefs. We started in Italy and have since reached every part of the world. A result achieved thanks to our distributors and dealers, the top ambassadors of our technology. A result we guarantee with our extensive service network, always ready to support our customers before, during, and after sale. Because Carpigiani is for you. For you, a master of gelato and frozen desserts who wants the highest quality. For you, a manager of a food service chain looking for advice, tailor-made solutions, and reliability. For you, a restaurant owner seeking a product that perfectly complements their cuisine. For you, a pastry chef who needs a partner at their service for all their preparations. Because your success is our success. Your story is our story. Because Carpigiani is the happiness that comes from loving what we do, each and every day.